Welcome to Other Levels. Today, we're going to learn how you can create this project performance dashboard using Microsoft Excel. We will explain the contents of the dashboard and the types of analysis used during this video tutorial. Visit our website to get the templates or download the datasets. Other-levels.com. Let's start by inserting a pivot table from this spreadsheet, which contains 7 different reports that have been merged into one spreadsheet. We will start by get the values from 4 reports: financial performance, safety performance, control systems, reliability activity. Add the category in row field, and the values in value field. Each report contains specific criteria that are not repeated in other reports. So we will copy each report criteria and paste it in a separate cells next to the pivot table. Then use VLOOKUP to get the values. We will add an if-error formula to avoid errors appearing on the dashboard. So now the empty values or errors will replaced with the dash sign. Copy the same formula for the other reports. Adjust the format of the amounts, numbers, and percentages as desired. This data is for 4 years. Therefore, they appear in large numbers, so we will insert slicers so that we can analyze and create the charts correctly. Choose year and month. From slicer settings, hide items with no data and the header. Let's create a new sheet tab for the dashboard. And then move the slicers. Let's add the dashboard title and background. Select all cells, then change the fill color to this color code. Then the light blue background using a rounded rectangular shape. Remove the outline color. Adjust the shape size. Then send it to back. Next, insert a proper image of your project. Let's first change the slicer design. Watch our videos to know how to modify the slicers. We will adjust the position for height and width. And also the sizes of buttons for both of them. Let's insert a rounded rectangle as the background for the slicers. Set a soft shade for it. I think to highlight the difference between them, should put a line to separate them. Choose the second background color. From Format menu, make sure to unlock Slicer. And check on Do Not Move or Size with Cells. Then finally disable to resizing and moving. We are done here. Let's back to the dashboard title. First, add the company's website. We'll name it Project Management Dashboard. Decrease the dashboard work font. Finally, insert the logo. Let's move on and add the first report, the financial performance. Copy the background to place all values on it. Align both shapes to the top. First, analyze capital expenditures. Here is the budget. Just type the equal sign and then choose the capital expenditures budget. We will attempt to highlight the actual capital expenditures using blue rectangle. Now link the actual amount. Next, the CAPEX percentage. But we will need an equation to find the percentage. It is dividing the actual amount by the budget. Make some improvements to the data of the 4 reports. Finally, in this part, we will add a line chart for the actual and budget CAPEX during the months. Copy the pivot table and remove the report's name. Then add the category to columns field. Filter to CAPEX actual and the budget. Then add years and months to row field. We need one more table for the OPEX line chart. Change the pivot table name. Next, we need to disconnect the monthly slicer from these line charts and link them only with the yearly slicer. Remove the grand total. Both pivot tables are ready, so let's insert a 2D line chart. Change the budget line chart with area chart instead. Move them to the dashboard to continue adjustments. For the vertical axis, we prefer to format numbers in million, using the following format code. Remove the grid lines and chart background color. The actual line will be in dark orange. And for the budget area chart, make it in light orange. Finally, resize the fonts and the chart. Place it within the CAPEX part. Group them all and duplicate for OPEX part. Just relink the amounts and percentages. We are done here. There are 5 more criteria for financial performance, which are the percentage of OPEX as planned maintenance, maintenance costs as a percentage of revenue, total operating costs per ton, outstanding warranty claims, total tire management spend. Put the amounts into a gray rectangle. Then for sure we need a title for this part. We will use the same font format for all titles. We want to add a gradient color to the right side. Excel can't give us a sharp edge for each color, so we'll do it another way. Finally, we will add icons indicating the content of this part. For example, we can use a $sign. And also search for the plus icon. Next, analysis for the project safety performance. The data has been ready from the beginning and it contains the following: first aid treatments, doctor treatments, shortness of breath, burns, interactions, incidents, hazard observation, and housekeeping related. We will just create it in a simple design. Group them and then duplicate for more 7 times. We will use the selection pane to be able to select them all. Select them all and distribute them vertically. Then group all text boxes. Link them one by one. Last, I will add an icon to symbolize the topic of this part. Our last analysis in today's video is the control system, and this is the 4th report. It contains the following: Operator-Induced Failures, New Purchase Orders, Purchase Orders raised for more than 3 months, Work Orders raised for more than 1 month, Completed Planned Maintenance, Standard Operating Procedures, Stockouts. We will just create it in a simple design. That's all for today's video. Hope you learned something useful for you. On the other hand, you have an easy way to directly purchase this template from our website other-levels.com. Thank you, and see you in next video.